To know how to add Pokemons or any other creatures in your videos completely for free using AI, make sure you watch this video till the very end. To make videos like this, go to any browser and search for Pika AI and make sure you open this link with the rabbit-like logo. Or you can just use the link in the description of this video to open this AI tool. You will need to sign in first. I will click on sign in with Google and then select my Gmail ID. We have a few pop-ups, I will close them all. Here we can start making our video. You can see a short preview here where different creatures are added into real life videos. To do the same with your own video, click here on Pikadditions. You can see that we have a default prompt. You can change it if you want according to how you want the creature to appear or interact in your video. On the left hand side, upload your video. I will show a quick preview of the video that I am adding. Also, since we are using the free version, we can only upload a 5 seconds long video. On the right, upload a picture of the animal or Pokemon that you want to add. I have a Charizard here, and although it has a cartoon appearance, the prompt clarifies that we want the creature added in a normal and engaging way, which means it will feel like a real life version. Now click on this icon. The AI will start generating our video, and since we are using the free version, this process will take some time.
A few moments later.
You can see our video is now ready. You can hover over it to preview. You can also regenerate or reprompt the video. Click on the video to view it properly. If you find that your video is lagging, don't worry, this is a common issue that you will face with this AI tool. You can just download the video to view it in a better way. Hover your mouse on the video and click on this download icon. You can see our video is downloaded and it looks amazing. It looks very natural and believable. Here I have another video with Pikachu, which is slightly weird in the human interaction part, but it does look real. So this was how you can add animals, Pokemons and creatures into your videos using AI in a very natural way. If you want to know about some other interesting AI tools that can do some amazing AI stuff, then you can check these videos right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.